welcome back to my channel. I decided to bring the vlogs back with a little bonus video this weekend to give you some spring cleaning motivation. And you may be thinking, Brittany, what are you talking about? It is cold, it is dreary outside, but I've got spring on my mind and I'm stuck here in the house all day, so I figured I might as well get some stuff done. So I've already had a productive morning. I got my butt up for a 6 a.m. Pilates class, which old me could have never, but the trick is you have to set your alarm in another room. So you have to wake up, physically get out of bed to turn it off. It is one of my most favorite life-changing tips. I do Pilates. It's called Legree Pilates. It's amazing. When I get back from Pilates, I make myself a smoothie every morning, and what I've been having is milk with my protein powder. This is protein powder specifically good for trying to gain muscle. Then some frozen blueberries, a big handful of spinach, some MCT oil, and ground flax seeds. I have this same combo almost every single morning. My big breakfast tip is you want to shoot for protein in the morning. That will help give you more sustained energy and not have as many cravings later in the day. So I shoot for between 30 to 50 grams of protein in the morning, and it's easy to get in a smoothie. And then I also have a big thing of water. I try to drink this before noon. That's the goal, 32 ounces here. And then my other morning non-negotiable, I take my Ritual multivitamin every single morning, no matter what. That's why I have this little pill reminder on here. So when I take it, I just click it over so I know that I took it that day. And I did partner up with Ritual for today's video to give you guys a 20% off code if you've been wanting to try them. Ritual is truly the best supplement brand. In my opinion, they are all research-backed, third-party tested. They have traceable ingredients, just the highest integrity of ingredients in these. And the reason I take a multivitamin is because there are certain nutrients that are difficult to get through diet alone. Even if you try to eat as healthy as possible, they have done the research on what those are and they put them all in here, and it just makes my life that much easier. And my favorite thing about the Ritual Multi that I think is game-changing is that it has both your omega-3s and your multivitamin in one. So for so many years, I would take a separate fish oil supplement, and not only is that expensive to get a good high quality fish oil supplement, it was just so many pills that I was having to take every day. So I love that I only have to take 2 of these little pills a day and I get what I need. The other game-changing thing about the Ritual vitamins in particular is that they have delayed release technology. So you're not just peeing everything out, it isn't being dissolved until it's in your lower intestines where it's better able to absorb into your body. So you are fully realizing the benefits and your body is able to absorb them. As somebody who loves and appreciates research and also transparency, no other supplement brand comes close, which is why I love working with Ritual, and they've given me a code for you to save 20% off your first order. I take the Women's Essential 18+. They have different formulations, and now I even have Carter taking the Ritual Kids multivitamin gummies. They are sugar-free. Carter really likes them, and I just know they've done the research of the most important nutrients that kids tend to be missing in their diet, so I feel good with him taking these. Anyway, I can go on and on about them because I just love Ritual so much. And again, you can check out the description box if you want to save 20% off your first order. Then I go outside and try to get like 10 minutes of early morning sunlight if I can. I just drink my smoothie out here. I'll look on my phone, check my emails, read a book. I am all about that early morning light exposure. It helps with your energy and with your serotonin production throughout the day. And now I'm going to do some cleaning and organizing around the house. I thought I would also just share some of my little tips and tricks for being productive. And my favorite one, it's gonna sound so weird, but you need to try it, and that is put your shoes on. Something about having my sneakers on, like I cannot be stopped. I'm in go mode. And a lot of people, myself included, don't like wearing shoes in the house, so that's why I have a dedicated pair of productivity shoes. When these are on, just try and stop me. So the house is a disaster. I will show you some time-lapse footage of me cleaning up all around the house. I mean, this is just life with kids. It is what it is. I want to point out that we still have these holes in the ceiling because if you missed it on my Instagram stories, we had yet another leak. It damaged this whole wall and cabinet. So next week they're coming in, they're demoing this entire side of the kitchen. another little tip you need to try if you don't do this already. I use my Bluetooth headphones and I listen to a good audiobook. This is multitasking at its finest, but really what it helps me do is it distracts me. Sometimes I'm so into my book, I look for more things to clean. Going in the crock pot because I'm a crock pot mom. You know why? Because I'm lazy. This is one of my favorite recipes. I'll put it in the description box. It is white bean chili, and there's a secret ingredient that just sets it over the top. So in the crock pot, I have 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. I'm seasoning this up with some Kinders. Then you want to put in 1 can of green enchilada sauce, 1 can of white beans, 1 can of corn, then add 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm just gonna eyeball it because I'm wild like that. So you can cook it on high for 4 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. And then at the very end, so at the last 30 minutes or so, you add 8 ounces of cream cheese. I know that sounds crazy, but it just makes it creamy and extra tasty. What do you rate the chili? Do you think it tastes good?
Yeah.
Like really good?
I would give it a 7.
7? So I noticed that Ryan had quite a bulge, a wallet bulge that is. I mean, this is a little egregious. He's walking around like this. So I took it upon myself to get him a new slimmer wallet. So let's do a before and after, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, before.
It's like a growth on my jeans.
I know, it looks like a wallet tumor. Okay, so now here's the after.
Huh?
Okay, it's still a little bulgy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Well, what about putting it in your back pocket?
I've never been a back pocket guy.
Really? Let me see.
Probably because my butt's already big enough.
Okay, well let's see.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, definitely nope, not in the back. Yeah, the phone isn't helping either.
No.
I think the solution is immerse. You need immerse. We are here at my favorite farmer's market. I love this farmer's market because it's this historic old park. There's a train, there's all this cute stuff. And then over there is the market. We got the goods.
Yeah, Mama.
Oh, you're sharing? Best day ever.
I'm in cooking.
Oh no, this is the soup place that I always talk about. My Pozole, best soup. So we just got some fresh marinara sauce, and then I'm gonna get some pasta.
Best day ever. I eat cookie.
Hello, it is actually the next day. I'm about to get ready, just a quick like 10-minute mommy makeup. My go-to everyday foundation is this one. It's the Color Science Fleck. It is a sunscreen with foundation SPF 50, and it's crazy because it goes on white, and then as you blend it in, it matches your skin tone and it looks gorgeous and it lasts on me. Again, I have like oily combo skin. For concealer, there is only one for me with my dry under eyes, the Bye Bye Under Eye. This is super creamy and does not look dry and cakey. I went through this phase where I tried like 15 different concealers. For me, you know, aging skin, this is superior. Another little trick I do, so I use the Color Science bronzer. So this is a sunscreen plus bronzer. I use this as like my contour bronzer on my face. You know why? Because more sun protection. No other blush exists to me besides the Patrick Ta, okay? It's a cream and a powder. You can use one, you can use both. They are gorgeous, they last. Best blush. Okay, but I'm not done yet. I use that same bronzer sunscreen as my eyeshadow. Just keep it simple and it helps me move faster because I only have to grab a couple of products. Here's some life advice that nobody asked for, but literally life-changing, okay? I had a situation where a friend of mine really upset me. She really hurt my feelings, and I'm very sensitive. We all know this, right? So the first thing that I always remind myself is to not take anything personally. Now, the second part of this is even more important, and it takes immense self-control. It's hard to do, but if you can do it, you are winning in life. And that is, wait 24 hours before responding if anyone has pissed you off. So I decided to write out my thoughts, write out what I want to say, but not send it, okay? Just sit on it, just wait 24 hours. And then the next day, 24 hours later, I look at it and I'm like, girl, you're being dramatic. Like, you don't need to send this. For me, at this phase of my life, I don't want drama, I want peace. So new thing I'm doing with Carter is we are watching documentaries, like History Channel documentaries. Carter's gonna tell us a fun fact about sharks.
Small version, a regular shark would be this big, and a great white shark would be this big.
Whoa, so great white sharks are huge.
Yeah.
How big would a whale shark be?
Even bigger than that.
This is what I'm having for dinner. Easiest healthy meal hack ever. Go to Costco, get the sheet pan vegetables and the miso glazed frozen cod, put them together in the air fryer at 400 for 15 minutes. And that's it. I usually will make like some rice on the side. Could not be easier, and it's so delicious. And here's what it looks like when it's done. 15 minutes later, so good. Even my kids like this, so definitely recommend you try it out. Okay, we're gonna have a little real talk moment about postpartum bodies, and I see some women, they bounce back, they look the same or better than they did before kids, and I look at them and I'm like, couldn't be me. And I know some people like look at me and they're like, oh, you're so thin, you probably bounced back. But my stomach will never look the same, and I used to have a lot of shame about it, but now I've come to a point where I have embraced it, I've accepted it, and I'm trying to speak kindly to myself and kind of just spread that message. Okay, so here's how things are looking. There's loose skin that I don't think I can ever get rid of. My stretch marks are getting better because I'm doing the at-home laser, but this is just how it's gonna be, and there's nothing wrong with it. And I just wanted to say that and to show that because I think it's easy on social media to hide certain things or to have a certain impression, when in reality, I'm willing to guess that like 80% of women after they've had babies, their bodies never look quite the same, and that is okay. I'm like all about embracing it. I want to be healthy and feel good because now it's been years and I feel like I'm actually in good shape, but my stomach is just always gonna look like this unless I get surgery, which I'm never gonna do. So let's just embrace. Special segment on little girl hair tip. First tip, she has to be watching something. Otherwise, there's no way she'll sit still. Kimberly, can you say hi? There she is. You want one of these combs with this pointy end so you can get a straight part. So I find when I wet the hair, I can get it more smooth. Then I use a regular brush, get it in place. We're gonna do high piggies, and you really have to smooth it out. I like to use satin hair ties. It's just more gentle on the hair. Really have to take them out. And then my favorite little thing to add, these little butterfly clips. You can get 12 of them for like $8, and she always gets compliments when she has these on. Twist, and I put the... Okay, then my last little tip, instead of using regular scissors, I use these like thinning shears, so it's not like a straight across line. Straighten. So here's the final look. Here's our final look. So cute. And see, I'm telling you, these little butterfly clips, they make the look. All right, so that is going to wrap up today's vlog style video. I hope you enjoyed it. These are some of my favorite videos to watch and to film. Check the description box if you want to try out Ritual and save 20% off. I take the women's multi and Carter takes the kids gummies, which I love that they're gummies and they're sugar-free, and Carter actually likes them and takes them every day. So anyway, with all of that said, thank you as always so much for watching, for all of your support, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye.